Hello learners, I hope you are doing well. Thank God. I am here once again for us to continue with our mathematics lesson. Last time you have learned a topic and the topic was all about fraction. Is it not so? And our objective was to find or to add like fractions. We have said that when adding like fraction, make sure the bottom numbers are the same. Okay, if the bottom numbers are the same, it means that they are like fractions. So the only thing you need to do is to add their numerators and keep the denominators, and at the end of the calculation you simplify the fraction if what needed. So let's look at this revision. We can add 1/4 and 1/4, 1/4 and 1/4. What will it give us? You can quickly do it over there or follow me if you have forgotten. We said since they are like fractions, because they have the same denominators, we said they are what? Like fractions. We just add the numerators. Okay, and this one will give us 2/4. And don't forget that our rule was telling us that we should simplify the fractions if needed. Here we can simplify it. 2 can go here, we will get 1. 2 can also go here, we will get 2. So our final answer will be half, or 1/2. That is what we learned under addition of like fractions. Please, learners, you are going to use these ideas today throughout our lesson, so watch out. Objective of the day: adding mixed and like fractions. So today you should be able, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to add mixed and like fractions. Someone may say, what is mixed and like fractions? We have already learned what a mixed fraction is. Mixed fraction, we said that is the one that has a whole number, both whole number and fraction together, as you know. So this time around we may have 2 or 3 mixed fractions, but they will all have the same denominators. For that matter, we call them like fractions, but they are at the same time mixed fractions. So let's look at the rules or the steps we'll be following today in doing our activities. Addition of mixed and like fractions. To add mixed and like fractions that are larger than 1, we write down the sum of the whole numbers and add the fractions. It looks very simple, is it not so? So when we are done with our activities, you will see that it is very easy. So I want you to take your paper or your book, your pencil, your pen, whatever you want to use to do this work, so that we all do it together. Let's continue. We are going to apply this strategy right now in activity 1. The activity 1 is telling us that add 5 whole number 1/3 and 1 whole number 2/3. If you look at this very carefully, they are what we call mixed fractions. And looking at their denominators, they are the same. So we shall also call them like fractions. So we shall see how we can add these ones. Okay. Now, as solution, going to add 5 whole number 1/3 and 1 whole number 2 over what? 3. Okay, so what do we do? The rule is saying that we should add the whole numbers, and then we should add the fractions. At the end of the day, we combine all of them. So let's see how we can put that into practice. This one can be written in this form, can be written like this: 5 plus 1 over 3. Then for that matter, let's put it into brackets. Then the next one too can also be written in the same form: 1, okay, whole 1 plus 2 over 3. Are you there? Okay, so the next thing we will do here is to put our fractions together and our whole numbers together as it is, as we said in our as we said earlier on. So let's look at it. I'm going to add 5 and the whole number over here, which is what? 1. Then we should also add the fractions: 1 over 3, this one, the first one here, 1 over 3, and then the second one over here, 2 over 3, or 2/3. Class, learners, are you there? Very good. So now let's look at this. 5 plus 1 will give me what? 5 plus 1 will give me what? 6. What about the fraction here? Right now we did something about like fraction. We said that we keep the denominator and we add the numerator. So I'm going to keep the denominator, which is what? 3. Then I add the top: 1 plus 2. So looking at the thing, you can see that we are now having 6 plus 3 over what? 3. 3 over 3. And we all know that 3 over 3 is 1, because it will cancel out, is it not so? So for that matter, we are having 6 plus 1, and we all know that 6 plus 1 will give us 7. So at the end of the day, our final answer will be 7. At the end of the day, our final answer will give us 7. So as I was saying, 3 over 3 will be 6, will become 1. So it will be 6 plus 1. Then it will give us 7 as our final answer. Well done. That is how we add like and mixed fractions, or mixed and like fractions. Congrats. We shall look at this. This is what I just explained. This is what I just explained right now. Okay, nice one. So let's look at the activity number 2. Activity number 2. Find the sum of 4 whole number 1 over 5 and 3 over 5. 3 out of 5. Are you ready for that to start? Very good. So I'm going to divide our board into 2. Okay. let's manage it well. Now look at this one. We are saying 4 whole number 1 over 5. So we should find the what? The sum. So it's the same as addition. 3 over 5. This time around, we are not having, the second one is not having a whole number. It's not so. So, but we have said that this one can be written in a particular form. And we said that one is the same as 4 plus 1 over 5. This fraction. Whenever they say 4 whole number 1 over 5, it is the same as 4 plus what? 5. Are you okay? Then the other one is 3 over 5. 3 over 5. Okay. So now, let's go ahead and see what we can do. The fraction, our rule number 1 is saying that we should add the whole numbers, and then we'll add what you have gotten to the sum of what? The fractions. So let's add our fractions first, but then we'll remove the brackets, then open it here. 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5. This means we want to deal with the fractions first. Okay, want to deal with the fractions first. Sorry. Now, when we finish with this one, then we shall add what is in the bracket. We have said that whenever the fractions are having the same denominators, we say they are what? Like fraction. Then we will do what? We will keep the denominator and add the numerators 1 plus 3. So I'm going to continue over here. Then we are now getting 4 plus the top here will give us what? 1 plus 3 is what? 4. 4 over 5. 4 over 5. Okay, 4 over 5. I'm done. So will we leave the answer like that? No, we have said that this one can be in different form. It's the same as this one, is the same as 4 whole number 4 over 5. We just take the addition off. Okay, we just take the addition off, and here you go. We have found our answer. Therefore, we rewrite our question. 4 whole number 1 over 5 plus 3 over 5 is equal to 4 whole number 4 over 5. We are done. That is all about today's lesson. We are also going to look at the same another example in the next activity, but for now I want to let you know what you have done. This is your notes. Okay, this is what you just did. Now let's look at the next activity. The next activity is also very simple if you follow the steps very well. I need your attention. Okay, now we are saying that you should find 6 whole number 4 over 9 and the sum of 6 whole number 4 over 9 and 2 whole number 2 over 9. This is what they are asking us to do. Okay, so what do? We have said earlier on that the first one that you see here can be written in this form: 6 plus 4/9, and then the other one also can be written in the same form: 2 plus 2/9. Okay, so now the rule is saying that we should add the whole numbers first, add the fractions also, and then we'll combine all. So let's group them. Let's put our whole numbers together, this one and this one. Okay, 6 plus 2 are the whole numbers here. Okay, don't forget the addition, plus now we can also add the fractions: 4/9 plus 2/9. Have you seen it? Exactly. Now the next step is to add our get the total of the addition, okay, of what we are calling whole numbers, and then the total of what we have done for the fractions also. So let's go. 6 plus 2 will give you what? 8. Correct. Plus, look at this very well. Look at this. Are they not like fractions? Therefore, what do? Okay, we keep the 9 and we add the top: 4 plus 2. Nice one. Then our next step will be 8 plus, what do we get here? 2 plus 4 will give us what? 4 plus 2 will give us what? 6. Then we get 6/9. And we have said earlier on that whenever you see 8 plus a fraction, it is the same as a mixed fraction. Then our answer will be 8 whole number 6/9. 8 whole number 6/9. 6/9. Congrats, you did very well. That is what we have come to learn today, and I have to tell you, I go, because you are doing very well. Quickly, let's see what you have done today. This is exactly what I'll let you do right now. But when you finish, you can see that when you get 6, okay, over 9, it is, we need to simplify it because it's not in the simplest form. So if I divide this one, I can see that 3 can go here and 3 can go here. That's why here I've gotten 2, because I divided this 6 by 2, and the 9 also, sorry, I divided the 6 by 3 and the 9 also by what? 3. Then I get 2 at the top and 3 at the bottom. This is what I rewrite this way. Thank you for paying attention from the beginning to the end of this lesson. Now, assignment. You have to practice what you have learned today, okay? The same thing you have done, I want you to do some alone, okay? Try and find the sum of 8 whole number 3/8 and 7 whole number 5/8, 10 whole number 5/7 and 1/7, 2 whole number 8/15 plus 9 whole number 2/15. The same thing, okay? So well done. See you next time. Goodbye.